Yeah. Okay. So this is the expectation you will get from today's session. I'm not going with any like examples or any programming, any coding. Okay, and that will also I'll not take much time. I have very few slides. So the expectation from today's session, what you will get is the course content. Okay, what I'll cover. Okay, as a developer, we're working and I'm working also, and I'm having more than 9 years into IT. Okay, every time I work with Java, so I'll go with a specific content which will help once you are in market searching for a job or you want to work, even if you have some ideas, you want to start your own application. So you can do all those things. There are in Java, there are huge amount of content and syllabus, but many things which will maybe it will not help that much when you come to the industries. Okay, so that kind of specific content, let's say into the framework, I'm giving one examples in any new project which is starting now into Java. Okay, Java related technology, they always prefer now in Angular because that is in market. Earlier it was in JS pages and all. So now due to the advance of technology and easy for development, so that kind of training is going on, people are moving. So that when someone is in industries and they want to give or share knowledge, these are the guys who can give a specific content into that. So that way today all my session will cover like what you will get to learn from Java. You may be your in your academic, you already gone through like Java. So here we'll see what and all I'll cover. And before that, if someone new to Java, maybe they'll think, why should I go to Java? There are other technology in market. Okay, like your C, C++, other language. Okay. So here you can see these data I get from Oracle official website, who is like handling this Java now. Apart from that, some other survey website. Okay, you can see right now there are 3 billion devices which currently run on Java. So you can imagine how this particular technology is uh, dominating in market. Okay, so there is a very very common example. Everyone is or of the Gmail, they also are working into Java, like they implemented using Java related technology. Okay, and Twitter handle this 400 million tweets per day through the infrastructure which they build by Java. Okay, Netflix, you all are aware of how they are handling the content. They also use Java, okay, to handle that kind of load and that kind of storage. Okay. Uh, then in all of the world, you can see there are huge amount of developer who can trust Java and they are working with Java and they use this technology to develop various kind of application. Okay. And yeah, one more thing is every time if you'll see now in market, the latest Java version is 14th. Okay, so you can see every time they are updated into the market, and they are providing all those API which will help to go parallelly with all the new technology. Like Java is always, they have all the API which will support your big data, this IoT, machine learning, this cloud technology which is going on now in market. So every time they are coming up the API and new features, so that they will support all those things. Okay. And one more main reason why it's very popular is this is platform independent. Okay, then object oriented, and they have very strong security. And also now if you'll see Android thing, you can see now everyone having an Android phone. So whatever the apps you are using, so that development, all those things they usually do into like Java. Okay, so Android support very well Java. If you develop a whole application into Java, you want to make a .apk which is support with Android, that needs just a API and one line of code to support that. So that kind of flexibility you will get from Java. Apart from that, yes, in market there are a lot of resources in Java, but still you will find lot of openings into Java. There are every time now Spring Boot is very good in market. If someone is very good in Spring Boot and core Java, they will get calls for interview and for job. Now I'll go with the content. Yeah, this is one more, a software. There is a website called uh, Tiobo. So they are the indexing website actually. Every month they used to do indexing of all the popular languages all over the world. Okay, and they do this indexing into various factor. If you want to go like on what basis they do this comparing, so that you can go to their website tiob.com. So there you will get, they actually use huge number of search engine to see number of hit every time happening to a particular technology. So based on that they did this graph from last 2002 to 2020. So every time you can see on the topmost there will be always C and Java. So sometimes C will be up, then will Java, then C, then Java, like this. So these are the two top popular program. Yeah, so now here it come to course, like course content into core Java. Okay, so yeah, before going through that, if you already gone through with some institute or some classroom training, most of the time people will focus into this theoretical like concept. They will give a definition of what is class, what is method, what is variable. You will write into that lot of they'll give a theory, and the end of the day you will get confused or you need to memorize that. So here, whatever the concept I wrote, everything I'll show with the examples. I'll write a program in Eclipse or IntelliJ. Okay. So that for you, it is no need to remember like the, it will automatic once you do something in real time. So that will be helpful to memorize the concept that you'll never forget. If you'll buy head something, that is sometime you'll forget. So that kind of thing. So whatever I have mentioned here, basic syntax and introduction to the object and class. Okay, this if, for loop, enhance, for loop, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. So all these things code wise, concept wise, I'll show the examples. So that will be the best way to you to memorize the concept. Okay, so in core Java, the other part I will cover is Java string, which is very popular and also used many times in our day-to-day coding life when you are into industries. Okay, so in that also in interview point of view, every time you will get question from string class and exception handling, multi-threading. Multi-threading, even you didn't work, okay, they'll ask the basic. There is number of ways how to create a thread and thread lifecycle and synchronization concept. These are mostly let's say you are a fresher or even you are having 1 2 years experience, even 5 4 years of experience, you will get these questions in every interview. Okay, so these concept I'll cover with examples. And exception handling is something also you'll get in every interview. The interview will ask, actually when you start working, uh, now whatever theoretically you have gone through exception handling, when you will start working there are many scenario
Yeah,
where,
hello, Sasikant.
yeah, Sandeep, go ahead.
Uh, one of Aditi friend name is Sarita. Okay,
Okay,
she asked me privately to just admit Sarita if she is joining.
yeah, Sarita
If you are
Chaudhary
able
is
to
there.
access, yeah, don't give anyone. Just check the Sarita name is there or not.
Sarita Chaudhary is there.
Yeah, you can admit her.
Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, so here in Java string particularly, I'll go with this string immutable properties and comparison and substring, string buffer, string builder. and how you create your own immutable class. This is also a very frequent asked questions from many interview point of view. The exception handling, I'll go with the hierarchy, and these are try catch block. Every concept I'll go with the examples, okay, and multiple catch block and how finally block work, and through keyword what is the actual use through keyword. It will now gone through somewhere, you'll find okay through keyword used to through a exception, but actually what that mean, how in code wise will related this to code, okay. So that thing I'll show you in code wise. When you will gone through once, you will never forget that, and this thing will help you in your entire career. Even you joined in a company, when you are in a bench, you are trying some billing issue, you are trying for a different project. Again, interview, usually interview happened, someone like people who are now in they are studying now in third or fourth year, maybe you are not aware of this, but once you are in the industries, you started means in between inside the organization, if you think once you joined a company, you're now you're okay, you will like very free and all, no. So project work is done means internal movement also, they will go through all the concept. No company will once you join means they will not give project like that, they will take your technical skill there. So this is where this concept will help. You will came across each and everything they will ask, and this finally finalize what they are doing, all those things I'll go with a programming small program to understand the concept. And multi-threading basic, I'll show you how you to create a thread life cycle and synchronization concept in that. Okay, let me go through the next slide. Yeah, then one more again important chapter from core Java is Java collection. This is also in each and every interview they will cover collection, and when you start working for a project without collection, you won't able to write any concept. Array list is a very frequent list, frequently used.
So, Sasikant, Aditi is some questions regarding
Yeah.
is Android will be like dominant in future. She is asking, actually she is not audio is not working for her, so
Okay,
just
okay.
he texted in message.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just you can explain about this how this Android is going to dominate in the future.
Yeah, see, Android already like it is in market. Okay, still you see Java is number one. Why that I explained. Okay, even now everyone having Android phone. Even see in India is a huge market, huge population. Okay, everyone having an Android phone, and they have all these Android application. You should aware of each and every like whatever we are seeing the Android application, they are almost related to Java. The core concept, core logic, everything they are writing in a Java, they are using the Java to write the logic. And like Android, they have the SDK, which that also on top of Java this Google created. Okay, that way it will not go away. Even I created a application, so that fully I created using Java. Okay, once the full development done, if you'll see there is any website abc.com, I created a website, that is my application. All the functionality, all the logic I created using Java. So now what I need is my user is now using preferring mobile phone. Everyone is shopping from mobile phone, they have all Android. Tomorrow Flipkart is coming. If you see like Flipkart, they started all the business logic. How they will handle in Android? No, all these logic they are writing into Java. And I told abc.com or flipkart.com that their one particular API comes with Android. They are integrating that, and that generated a .apk file for Android or for iOS. Some I forgot. I don't remember actually, some other format. So that particular file they use. User can see, okay, this is the Android application, but in backend part, actually they're handling the huge transaction data and all those logic, they all handled by Java. I hope it
Sir,
is.
sorry to disturb you, sir, but actually the doubt was that will Flutter dominate Android? That is your Flutter is a cross-platform framework for app in which you can build both iOS and Android app both with a single code. So will that dominate Android in future?
Oh, that actually which you told, I have no idea. And
Okay,
that
sir.
you are again comparing with Android, and I am not into Android again. But
Okay, sir.
from my first slide which I compare, you can see from last 20 years even Java is dominating the whole market. So the developer preference also you can see from various website, and this from Oracle official website they are saying that amount of device which use Java, what it means. So this device is mostly again this mobile phone, okay, Android phone, but without Java they need Java.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, we can go ahead again. This collection framework, again, this is a very important concept which comes under our core Java. Okay, these are from array list, linked list, tree map. So very frequent uses array list and hash map. Okay, then this comparable comparator. Okay, these all concept I'll explain with examples. Okay, and one more thing, people who who are interested to go in the training, so every time if I explain something with examples, you can go ahead, you need at least spend some time, so whatever I did, so that you can do from yourself. Okay, examples that I'm telling to gain a hands-on and confidence. Okay, and definition wise also I'll go through what is list, what is comparable, or what is hash map. That theoretically knowledge I'll give, but more focus into this coding part, so that way you will relate with the definition with the actual concept. And after that JDBC concept I'll also explain. Even JDBC is very important because of the database connectivity. Without that our application is not complete, right? You create logic, even you develop a UI with HTML, JavaScript, or CSS, or even Angular. For actual transaction, again you need a intermediate JDBC to connect to the table and saving data, retrieve data. Even now you will see Spring Boot and all, so that they develop on top of this JDBC. So you need to understand the JDBC also. There are steps how to connect. Okay, so these concept I will tell, and also I'll give examples which will interact with database. Okay, the step I'll explain with a proper example. And file handling also I'll cover. File handling is you have a file in your local system, okay, or in class path, how you are reading the content. Maybe it is a text file or CSV file, how you are loading that and reading that. Again, if you need to write something into that particular file, okay, that we use file handling. So reader and writer example I'll give. And now in market, Java 8 is a commercial version actually. After Java 6, Java 6, uh, Oracle stopped the support for that Java 6. But earlier Java 6 was a stable release, which most of the company they use that. When Oracle stopped support for Java 6, the next stable release is Java 8. Okay, so now everyone, if you are going for market interview, they will ask one very frequent question is the features of Java 8. Okay, then inside that they have added many, but these are Lambda expression, Stream API, and NS follow. These are very important, and these they will focus more. Okay, and as Java is a commercial stable version Java 8 now, so this is why even now in market Java 14 is available. So I'll go through the Java 8 features. So that's the reason, because now Java 8 is a commercial license stable version release.
Okay.
Okay, so that much I'll cover from core Java side. Okay, and let's go to advanced Java concept. Okay, in advanced Java, I'll just go through basic with Servlet and JSP. And from this industries level, I'm telling now, if any new requirement is coming starting from scratch, nobody is preferring this Servlet or JSP. That is frankly, okay. Because there are a lot of, even if you see in Spring Boot, even 15-20 minutes, you are ready with your framework. You can focus your business logic. Your application will ready in 2-3 days. So that much fast development you can do now, okay, using the advanced version of release. So that's the why the neglect is happening. But earlier, the legacy application which already developed with Servlet JSP, if you are going for a maintenance kind of project, so there they will ask if you are aware of that. And here again, whatever the point I mentioned, how Servlet works, examples with HTTP Servlet, concept session tracking, and one end-to-end examples, these are I'll cover. And here also, particularly in Servlet, what kind of question is coming, what question is coming, all those things I'll give details. You will 100% will get that particular questions if it is a Servlet JSP related project and you are going for that. Next, we can go with the framework. Okay, framework is in market now after Spring MVC. Market is fully like dominated by the Spring Boot. Okay, and microservices. In Spring Boot, these are the things which I'll cover. Why Spring Boot? Okay, one example, like one before just few seconds ago I told, right? Earlier we have Spring MVC. You need around lot of effort to set up a framework, like to run your full web apps fully operational. If you want to make it, you need a framework. So earlier when Spring MVC is there, now also a lot of projects are Spring MVC, but they are again migrating that into Spring Boot. There are lot of configuration needed, manually XML configuration, even Java configuration is there, but lot of effort and complexity. So those all are removed in Spring Boot. Okay, they make it very easier. There are 4 or 5 lines of code which needed for Spring Boot, which will start your application. And whatever the earlier lot of complexity was there, they make it easier. They create an annotation inside that, they gave everything, so you just use the annotation. That will solve your problem, and you just focus on your business logic, what company want to achieve. So earlier all the developers, they used to spend huge amount of time to set up a framework. Even I did that 4 5 years ago, but now it is very easy and very less time needed for this. And DB connectivity to the example one end to end, I'll give REST controller. We have, I'll also cover you REST web services. You people must be aware of this one, okay? Because REST web services, in web service there are SOAP and REST, but I'll cover only REST web service, which is very demanded market. Again, when Spring Boot came, they have integrated that REST web service into that. So that uses REST controller. That example I'll give. Also, I'll cover separate REST web service class with proper example. Okay. And one more, there is Spring Batch. Okay. I'll cover with real-time examples, whatever I did with my company, the requirement, what it came and what I did, and how I created the whole framework for that. That I'll give you example which will help you if you need to search a job in future. Okay, even if you are in a different, you are working with a different skill and you want to move with Java side, so that will also help this session, the whole session I'm telling. So here I'll cover that. Okay, as a name suggests, batch, these particular API used to batch processing various things. Let's say there is a requirement of, there is a CSV file having lakhs of record, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs of record. So client need to put those data into database, and database again may be a small data source or different data source, same data or different data table. Okay, so how you will process that huge amount of data? So that will process in a chunk or batch. That's why it's called a Spring batch. So that particular example I'll give. Okay, and this will be annotation based. So this I'll cover. Let me go through what I have next. Yeah, Hibernate is also very important. So that I'll cover. Hibernate or web service. And Hibernate, there are the older version is XML configuration, that is like a Spring MVC we used to do. So there you will have this mapping file and all. So that XML configuration we have to do that also. If it is a legacy project, they will ask, okay, that concept I'll explain, okay, and I'll cover example with annotation based. I'll tell all this terminology in Hibernate. Also, I'll focus particularly in interview side in Hibernate, what kind of thing they're asking. Okay. Spring side also I'll cover Spring Boot, but Spring MVC, IOC, Spring like core module. Okay. There are also some part particularly come into interview side. So that also I'll cover. Okay. In Hibernate side, I'll give an example with annotation based with fully like end-to-end flow, which will have a connection with a table and some operation I'll give. And as I told a few seconds ago, this REST web service, I'll give a Jersey implementation. And that it will cover all the annotation, and that will help you to particular terminology and interview side what they'll ask from Jersey and the REST web services. Jersey is a way, it's a dependency we use to implement REST web services. Okay. Okay, then tool side, yes. People who are studying now, yeah. So tools is very important to you guys. Okay. So here, each and every concept I'll cover with Eclipse, either IntelliJ. Okay. Eclipse is from a long time. It is a very user-friendly developer tool for all this coding thing. And IntelliJ also is open source. A lot of companies they are preferring. In industry level, inside also they are preferring IntelliJ. And both I'll use. Okay, to make you understand how the things we are doing into that. Postman also I'll show just Chrome browser extension, how we are hitting the web services from that REST web services. If you study the theory about REST web services, you have very good knowledge. Someone will ask, okay, what is Postman, or how you are hitting a web service, how you are testing it. So someone who are into industry worked on, they know, okay, this way we test. We created a REST services, we got a URL that we need to hit from Postman, and that will give a response. That response based on the backend part what you did in REST web services. So that kind of example you will get from this session. And Bitbucket, where we used to store all our code and all that also, and Git. Earlier, like now, almost all companies they prefer Git actually. SVN earlier they were using, but again they are migrating towards this Git, where they use GitHub to compare, merge, and checking the code. So this much all I'll cover from this session, guys. So that is my end of the slide, and that comes like all core Java and advanced Java with some framework.
Okay, so thank you, Sasikant. Thanks for nice session, guys. Who are there in call? Especially, I'm talking with Aditi and Susan. So going forward, we'll update you guys for any next session, because we need to figure out how to make it this session authenticated. Okay, so today we have faced some challenge, so definitely we'll update you. Okay, if any other session going to cover tomorrow or the next weekend. So until unless we'll figure out this kind of unwanted people who are creating the issues. Today I have received bad experience in morning as well as in the afternoon session. So definitely I'm going to figure out everything, and I will share all this detail for the next session.
Yeah, Sandeep. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So, guys, one more thing. As I started, so this institute, I'm telling, even you guys are from Hyderabad, you can see there are a lot of training institute are there. But people usually who give the training, they are a full-time trainer actually. So here, even in Java, we have some lot of other technology. The people who are here, they are having very good experience, 9, 10, 11, 12 years of guys who are in market, they're working now. The kind of knowledge which you are get here, it will definitely, it is different from others, and it will 100% helpful. Okay, and the session wise, today's session, when I started, I told the expectation what you'll get from this session is only the course content. And Sandeep will organize some other demo session also where I'll explain some concept I told, right? So coding wise also, you just go through it. If you like, after that you can join or you can, like decide after that, right? Sandeep, we can arrange some other session with some
Yeah, yeah,
more,
definitely.
right?
We are
Yeah.
going to arrange a multiple session, Sasikant. We have like more than 17 trainer in this institute, and all are working professional. Okay, all are certified. So who are like joining as a fresher, or just like doing intensive, or having 1 years or 2 years of kind of experience and looking for any corporate like technology training. So definitely our institute will provide corporate sector experience, not only for technical stuff. They are going to share the all this corporate knowledge, like how you are going to engage with the client, how you are dealing with the project, with every single individual of the project, how you are going to engage in any bridge call and all. So definitely you will be getting more things apart from the your technical expectation. Your resume preparation, your resume guidance, and all the stuff, one to one mentorship you will get here. So going forward, I'll hope from Aditi and Sushant, like to share these things to other friends, relative, and your circle. And definitely we are going to bring many session on the different technology. So thank you guys, thanks for joining, and thank you Sasikant for this nice session. See you all in other session. Thanks guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.